Camping World. Let's see what they offer for refrigeration. Other than the stuff I can't afford, of course. So, Camping World. A little more than I wanted to spend. Push comes to shove, I'll go back, but I'm going to check out this Walmart and see what they got. You never know. Hopefully, they got something. Okay, so I guess I'm going to be living the ice life for a little bit. Hey, cat. Furry Overlord's got to check things out. You saw the prices from Camping World for the 12-volt jobbies. This one's $48. So for that $200 difference for the least expensive one of those, that's 100 bags of ice. I can deal with that. So at least for now. See you later, YouTube. I have this groceries put away. Hi, I'm Steve. This is my Furry Overlord Cammy, and we're traveling around the country checking out things, looking for those places that most people just sort of miss or never heard of. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, tell your friends and neighbors about it, and if you want to make a contribution, there's a button up there on my homepage, and as long as they last, every $5 you send, I'll send you a couple of stickers. So